In this time I will be making cute flowers. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Begin the work by making a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch by working a slip stitch. The ring is ready. Let's begin the first round. Make a chain. Make 12 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the first single crochet by working a slip stitch. The round is made. Let's begin the center of the flower. Chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double treble crochet stitch. Insert the hook into the same stitch that we have started work from, and double treble crochet stitch into the same stitch. Chain of 4, and slip stitch into the same stitch. The first petal of the center is ready. Let's begin the next one. Make a slip stitch into the next stitch. And work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Let's begin the next petal. Chain of 4, double treble crochet stitch into the same stitch, and make double treble crochet stitch into the same stitch one more time. Chain of 4 and slip stitch into the same stitch. The second petal is ready. Let's begin the next petal. For this, slip stitch into the next stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch. In total it should be 6 of them. 2 are done, we need to crochet 4 more. I have made all 6 petals. After I did the 6th petal, make a slip stitch into the next stitch. I will begin the next round from this slip stitch. Make a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the slip stitch that we did between petals. Chain of 3. Work a single crochet into the slip stitch that we did between petals. Let's look here what we have, and we continue. Chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 6 of them, such chain spaces. I chained the last one. Let's look at the back side. Let's complete this round together. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch on the beginning of this round by working a slip stitch. Round is made. Let's begin the second round of the petals. I will be making petals in the same way as we did before. I'm making 2 petals into each chain space. Make a slip stitch, chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 2 double treble crochet stitches, 1 and 2. Chain of 4, and slip stitch into the same chain space. The first petal is made. Let's begin the second one. Chain of 4, 2 double treble crochet stitches into the same chain space, and 2. Let's repeat again. And work a slip stitch into the same chain space, chain of 4. The second petal is ready. As I did before, I am making 2 petals into each chain space. Make a slip stitch into the stitch and slip stitch into the next chain space, chain of 4, 2 double treble crochet stitches, and 2. Chain of 4, and a slip stitch into the same chain space. You should make the second petal into the same chain space, and so on. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I have done all petals. To complete this round, insert the hook into the chain stitch on the beginning of this round by working a slip stitch. Let's begin round 3. It will be a round of big petals. For this, make a chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We skip 2 petals. Insert the hook into the single crochet and make a single crochet. Chain of 5 for the chain space and insert the hook into the single crochet that we made a slip stitch into by working a single crochet. Chain of 5. We skip 2 petals, insert the hook into the single crochet by working a single crochet. Here what we have. It is visible on the back side, so continue working in this way till the end of this round. I have done the last 6 chain space. Insert the hook into the chain stitch on the beginning of this round by working a slip stitch. Round is made. Here how it looks on the back side. Let's begin big petals. Make a slip stitch into the chain space. Make a chain. Then single crochet. Then half double crochet. And 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then half double crochet and single crochet into the same chain space. Turn the work, make a chain. We skip the first stitch and half double crochet into the half double crochet of the previous row. Make double crochet twice into the double crochet of the previous row. Three double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, then half double crochet and single crochet into the next stitch. As you can see the chain on the beginning on the previous round, I leave this chain stitch. Turn the work, make a chain. We skip single crochet on the previous row, then half double crochet into the second stitch. Make double crochet twice into the next stitch. 1, 2, 2 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3 double crochet in a round 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1, 2, then half double crochet into the half double crochet of the previous row, and single crochet into the chain stitch of the previous row. The first petal is made. Let's begin the second one. Insert the hook into the chain stitch that we have already worked into by working a slip stitch, and slip stitch into the single crochet of the first row. And the slip stitch into the chain space. Make a slip stitch into the stitch. Let's begin the next petal. Make a slip stitch into the next chain space. Let's make the first row of the next petal. Make a chain. I won't work with this stitch. Half double crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, half double crochet and single crochet, and turn the work and begin the second row. Let's look at the first petal. In total it should be 6 of them. First is made. You should crochet 5 more. I have done all 6 petals. To complete this round, I have done slip stitch into the chain space. Make a slip stitch into the chain space. I did slip stitch into the stitch, then slip stitch into the stitch, the flower is ready and you can cut off the yarn. Let's look at our flower. We have got beautiful flower. It is consists of 3 kinds of petals. Let's look at the back side. And this is front. For demonstration, I have done exact flower of 2 kinds of yarn. Here how it looks in one color of yarn. Thanks for watching.